that Gitanjali and all the companies that Mehul Bhai has been doing for years. I'm new to Mumbai. One of the few friends I made here is Mehul Bhai, who has helped in some of the businesses that I've initiated, has always been there when we've needed help, and not only as a businessman or a business friend. He's been there just so that we can start off. Started with this beautiful helmet he designed for Kolkata Knight Riders. Thank you so much, Mehul Bhai. You've been very, very kind. And someone who has a lot of appreciation, very little understanding of diamonds, but I'm here because all of you are here. I wish you a very, very good evening. I wish great associations with Gitanjali and all the businesses that Mehul Bhai has. And thank you very much. It's an honor, sir, for having me over here.
We're launching this special certificate by IGI for the diamond dossiers, which they are launching from 10 cents to 1 carat, that you will face no difficulties to certify as fast as possible and with IGI quality.
Branding as an exercise actually should not be an exercise. Branding should be a natural flow. If you do it right, keep it simple, keep it straight. You know, I'm sure, if it's simple and nice, you will adopt it. You will be overawed by it, and you will love it. So brand for me is like, for example, in your case is when it's a diamond, somewhere down the line, yourself, Mr. Choksi, all the young, wonderful people here, you know, they brand it and say, okay, this is good quality, this is nice, this has been worked upon, because we know so little about diamonds, normal people. And you say, you know what, at the end of it all, this looks cool. And there are people behind it who are assuring us that it's a good thing to have because it's pure, it's nice, the amount of money you're paying for it is good enough. And finally, it just comes down to, are you offering them an emotion which is value for money? If money being the standard to buy an emotion, if it is possible, which it happens in many cases now. So if you can give value for money, for an emotion, whether it's a diamond or an actor or any other product, I think as long as you keep it simple and straight. Yeah, and let the companies convert it into a brand. You don't need to convert yourself into brand. You just do what you do best and leave the rest. They are the people who will give you a logo, a sign, a name. They'll call you Badshah Khan, Kohinoor, whatever. Like, you know, it's a beautiful diamond. Whether you call it Kohinoor, you call it whatever, it's a beautiful diamond. And people will brand it, give it everything. But I think just keep it simple and straight.
Well, I wouldn't talk about the idea. I would just talk about the diamonds are so rare that maybe 100 years, 200 years down, they will be so rare that we'll remember. There couldn't have been a bigger gift than diamonds, because what was gifted to you about 100 years before, and they are forever, and they will live forever. They will carry so many stories with you. So I don't think so there can be anything compared to diamonds, because they're forever and they're so rare.
Before we end, I'd just like to say I'm an outsider in this world. Martin Rappaport and his company, they not only just prize the diamonds, they are people who've been following things up for a commodity which is scarce, rare, and beautiful, and they try to control it for the rest of the world. And extremely smart, charming, and for me, one of the evenings where I've met one of the nicest people. And I want to thank Mehul Bhai for giving me this opportunity. And, I came here, like I said, to get 250 grams of diamonds. I take back much more than that, having met Martin and Mehul Bhai and everyone. Thank you so much. God bless you both.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.